Even though the Buganda were encouraged to grow cassava as to support their local brew brand, the Katikiro says this is not yet a point of emphasis accrued to market technicalities.
But it's extremely important that there is a clear purchasing process which has been outlined to the farmers. I know that if we urge the people to grow cassava, they do it. But to be extremely dispiriting to them, and eventually to us, if we grow the cassava and there is no one to buy it from them. We've talked about growing of cassava already, but we haven't officially come out to tell them to do so, simply because we are yet to work out the purchasing process.
The Katikiro foresees the partnership between UBL as a stitch in time towards education, health and economic development. It is classified as a strong beer with 6% ABV. Fears from the society regarding its alcoholic strength as opposed to the bottle written were rendered baseless by the managing director UBL Nyimpini Mabunda.
This beer was developed with the target of moving our people from consuming illicit brew, which is potential hazardous to their health. It was brewed to ensure that the ordinary person can have an affordable drink, which is hygienic and of good quality. With the launch of Engule, we are saying alcohol should be processed more hygienically and safer for every consumer. That's why we're very passionate about this line, because we believe matters to do with hygiene and safety and health.
One would reason that the relatively low price of the brew, yet with a strong alcoholic content, is a shot in the arm for irresponsible drinking, upon which Nyimpini begged to differ.
Said we are revising our pricing, not because we believe it's too low, but we also believe that we need to make a sustainable business, and it will become a little bit more expensive in the short term. But I absolutely have no contradiction or fear that this might be encouraging irresponsible drinking.
The Katikiro noted that the brew has positively strengthened household incomes of the Buganda people, which feeds into their goal of lifting them out of poverty under the 5-year Buganda Kingdom strategic plan. Nancy Okwong, WBS Business, Kampala.